Welcome to Phrasecamp Language Academy. Let's learn a foreign language, one phrase at a time.
Mon salaire est très élevé.
My salary is very high. My salary is very high.
Le revenu de son travail est élevé.
His job income is high. His job income is high.
Le revenu de mon travail est faible.
The income from my job is low. The income from my job is low.
Je suis payé à l'heure.
I get paid an hourly rate. I get paid an hourly rate.
Mon taux horaire est plutôt bas.
My hourly rate is rather low. My hourly rate is rather low.
J'aimerais que mon taux horaire soit plus élevé.
I wish my hourly rate were higher. I wish my hourly rate were higher.
Son salaire est élevé, mais le mien est faible.
Her salary is high, but mine is low. Her salary is high, but mine is low.
Je veux une augmentation de salaire.
I want a pay raise. I want a pay raise.
Mon patron ne me donnera pas d'augmentation de salaire.
My boss won't give me a pay raise. My boss won't give me a pay raise.
Je vais demander une augmentation de salaire.
I will ask for a pay raise. I will ask for a pay raise.
Quand vais-je demander une augmentation de salaire?
When shall I ask for a pay raise? When shall I ask for a pay raise?
Ce n'est pas le bon moment pour demander une augmentation de salaire.
It's not a good time to ask for a pay raise. It's not a good time to ask for a pay raise.
Mon salaire est trop bas, je vais donc demander une augmentation.
My salary is too low, so I will ask for a pay raise. My salary is too low, so I will ask for a pay raise.
Puis-je obtenir une augmentation de salaire?
Can I get a pay raise? Can I get a pay raise?
Non, je ne vous accorderai pas d'augmentation de salaire.
No, I won't give you a pay raise. No, I won't give you a pay raise.
Pourquoi ne pouvez-vous pas m'accorder une augmentation de salaire?
Why can't you give me a pay raise? Why can't you give me a pay raise?
Je n'ai pas d'argent pour t'accorder une augmentation de salaire.
I don't have money to give you a pay raise. I don't have money to give you a pay raise.
S'il te plaît, donne-moi une augmentation de salaire.
Please give me a pay raise. Please give me a pay raise.
Tu ne mérites pas d'augmentation de salaire.
You don't deserve a pay raise. You don't deserve a pay raise.
Pourquoi je ne mérite pas d'augmentation de salaire?
Why don't I deserve a pay raise? Why don't I deserve a pay raise?
Puis-je avoir une augmentation de salaire?
Can I get a pay raise? Can I get a pay raise?
J'aimerais avoir ton travail.
I wish I had your job. I wish I had your job.
Je suis tellement jalouse de son travail.
I am so jealous of her job. I am so jealous of her job.
Son travail a l'air si intéressant.
Her job sounds so interesting. Her job sounds so interesting.
Ton travail a l'air intéressant.
Your job sounds interesting. Your job sounds interesting.
Que faites-vous à votre travail?
What do you do at your job? What do you do at your job?
Au travail, je parle généralement aux clients et je fais beaucoup de paperasse.
At work, I usually talk to customers and do a lot of paperwork. At work, I usually talk to customers and do a lot of paperwork.
Je dois effectuer de nombreux voyages d'affaires au cours de l'année.
I have to go on a lot of business trips during the year. I have to go on a lot of business trips during the year.
Je me lève généralement tôt pour aller travailler.
I usually get up early for work. I usually get up early for work.
Je termine mon travail vers 18 heures.
I finish work around 6 in the evening. I finish work around 6 in the evening.
Elle termine généralement son travail vers 20 heures.
She usually gets off work at around 8 p.m. She usually gets off work at around 8 p.m.
Mon travail est tellement ennuyeux.
My job is so boring. My job is so boring.
Je déteste me lever pour aller travailler.
I hate getting up to go to work. I hate getting up to go to work.
Je déteste mon travail.
I hate my job. I hate my job.
Je ne déteste pas mon travail mais je ne l'aime pas non plus.
I don't hate my job, but I don't like it too. I don't hate my job, but I don't like it too.
Mon travail n'est ni bon ni mauvais.
My job is neither good nor bad. My job is neither good nor bad.
Il y a beaucoup de travail pendant les vacances d'été.
It gets really busy during the summer break. It gets really busy during the summer break.
Parfois, je dois faire des heures supplémentaires.
Sometimes I have to work overtime. Sometimes I have to work overtime.
Elle veut quitter son emploi.
She wants to quit her job. She wants to quit her job.
Il est allé à un entretien d'embauche hier.
He went to a job interview yesterday. He went to a job interview yesterday.
John est un employé à temps plein.
John is a full-time employee. John is a full-time employee.
Sarah est employée à plein temps dans une entreprise de conception graphique.
Sarah is a full-time employee at a graphic design company. Sarah is a full-time employee at a graphic design company.
Je suis un pigiste.
I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer.
Il est journaliste indépendant.
He is a freelance journalist. He is a freelance journalist.
Elle est photographe indépendante.
She is a freelance photographer. She is a freelance photographer.
Je suis un musicien.
I am a musician. I am a musician.
Je suis un écrivain indépendant mais je suis mal payé.
I'm a freelance writer, but my pay is low. I'm a freelance writer, but my pay is low.
Mon salaire est bas mais j'aime ce que je fais.
My pay is low, but I love what I do. My pay is low, but I love what I do.
Je dois beaucoup voyager pour mon travail.
I have to travel a lot for my work. I have to travel a lot for my work.
Je travaille à la maison.
I work from home. I work from home.
Il est toujours au bureau.
He is always in the office. He is always in the office.
Travaille-t-elle à la maison?
Does she work from home? Does she work from home?
Êtes-vous un journaliste indépendant?
Are you a freelance journalist? Are you a freelance journalist?
Il ne quitte jamais la maison.
He never leaves the house. He never leaves the house.
Travaillez-vous à domicile?
Do you work from home? Do you work from home?
Je suis vraiment fatigué par le travail.
I'm really tired from work. I'm really tired from work.
Je pense que j'ai besoin de vacances.
I think I need a holiday. I think I need a holiday.
Elle prendra des vacances la semaine prochaine.
She'll be taking a vacation next week. She'll be taking a vacation next week.
John prendra des vacances à Hawaï le mois prochain.
John will be taking a vacation to Hawaii next month. John will be taking a vacation to Hawaii next month.
Sam sera en vacances.
Sam will be on vacation. Sam will be on vacation.
Je suis en vacances.
I am on vacation. I am on vacation.
Ils ne sont pas en vacances.
They're not on vacation. They're not on vacation.
Êtes-vous en vacances?
Are you on holiday? Are you on holiday?
Sont-ils en vacances?
Are they on vacation? Are they on vacation?
Où allez-vous pendant les vacances d'été?
Where are you going during the summer break? Where are you going during the summer break?
Où vont-ils pendant les vacances d'hiver?
Where are they going during the winter break? Where are they going during the winter break?
Où allez-vous ce week-end?
Where are you going this weekend? Where are you going this weekend?
Je vais regarder un film.
I'm going to watch a movie. I'm going to watch a movie.
Elle va faire du shopping ce week-end.
She's going to go shopping this weekend. She's going to go shopping this weekend.
Ils vont aller à la pêche demain.
They're going to go fishing tomorrow. They're going to go fishing tomorrow.
Je vais aller au zoo avec mes enfants samedi.
I'll be going to the zoo with my children on Saturday. I'll be going to the zoo with my children on Saturday.
Dimanche, elle ira au centre commercial avec son petit ami.
She'll be going to the mall with her boyfriend on Sunday. She'll be going to the mall with her boyfriend on Sunday.
Tu vas aller à l'école avec ton petit frère aujourd'hui.
You'll be going to school with your younger brother today. You'll be going to school with your younger brother today.
Ce sera amusant.
It'll be fun. It'll be fun.
Ce ne sera pas amusant.
It won't be fun. It won't be fun.
Est-ce que ce sera amusant?
Will it be fun? Will it be fun?
Peut-être que ce sera amusant.
Maybe it'll be fun. Maybe it'll be fun.
Je pense que ce sera amusant.
I think it will be fun. I think it will be fun.
Je ne pense pas que ce sera amusant.
I don't think it'll be fun. I don't think it'll be fun.
Allons-y, ça va être amusant.
Let's go, it'll be fun. Let's go, it'll be fun.
Je veux y aller. Je pense que ça va être amusant.
I want to go there. I think it'll be fun. I want to go there. I think it'll be fun.
N'y allons pas. Ce ne sera pas amusant.
Let's not go. It won't be fun. Let's not go. It won't be fun.
Ce ne sera pas drôle du tout.
It won't be fun at all. It won't be fun at all.
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire pour t'amuser?
What do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun?
J'aime aller faire du shopping avec mes amis le week-end.
I like to go shopping with my friends at the weekend. I like to go shopping with my friends at the weekend.
J'aime lire à la maison.
I like to read at home. I like to read at home.
J'aime regarder Netflix à la maison.
I love watching Netflix at home. I love watching Netflix at home.
J'aime dormir.
I like sleeping. I like sleeping.
J'aime voyager dans le monde entier.
I love traveling around the world. I love traveling around the world.
Avez-vous des passe-temps?
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Parlez-moi de vos passe-temps.
Tell me about your hobbies. Tell me about your hobbies.
J'aime télécharger des photos sur Instagram.
I like uploading photos on Instagram. I like uploading photos on Instagram.
J'aime télécharger des vidéos sur YouTube.
I like uploading videos on YouTube. I like uploading videos on YouTube.
J'aime regarder des films de super-héros.
I like watching superhero movies. I like watching superhero movies.
J'aime faire de l'exercice en plein air comme la randonnée et la course à pied.
I like exercising outdoor, like hiking and running. I like exercising outdoor, like hiking and running.
Mes passe-temps sont le patinage sur glace, la lecture et les jeux vidéo.
My hobbies are ice skating, reading and playing video games. My hobbies are ice skating, reading and playing video games.
Mes passe-temps sont la relaxation et les voyages.
My hobbies are relaxing and traveling. My hobbies are relaxing and traveling.
Mes loisirs sont le shopping, manger et télécharger des photos sur Instagram.
My hobbies are shopping, eating and uploading photos on Instagram. My hobbies are shopping, eating and uploading photos on Instagram.
J'adore regarder des films d'horreur.
I love watching horror movies. I love watching horror movies.
Et toi?
What about you? What about you?
Qu'est-ce que tu aimes faire?
What do you like to do? What do you like to do?
J'aime faire du snorkeling et de la plongée sous-marine.
I like to go snorkeling and scuba diving. I like to go snorkeling and scuba diving.
Veux-tu venir faire de la plongée avec moi?
Do you want to go snorkeling with me? Do you want to go snorkeling with me?
Veux-tu voir un film avec moi?
Do you want to see a movie with me? Do you want to see a movie with me?
Qu'est-ce que tu vas regarder?
What are you going to watch? What are you going to watch?
Est-ce qu'il veut partir en voyage avec toi?
Does he want to go traveling with you? Does he want to go traveling with you?
Je ne pense pas qu'il veuille partir en voyage avec nous.
I don't think he wants to go traveling with us. I don't think he wants to go traveling with us.
Est-ce qu'elle veut venir avec nous?
Does she want to come with us? Does she want to come with us?
Ils ne veulent pas venir avec nous.
They don't want to come with us. They don't want to come with us.
Tu veux dîner avec moi?
Do you want to have dinner with me? Do you want to have dinner with me?
Pas ce soir. Mais pourquoi pas la semaine prochaine?
Not tonight. How about next week, though? Not tonight. How about next week, though?
Est-ce qu'elles veulent voyager avec toi?
Do they want to travel with you? Do they want to travel with you?
Oui, ils vont voyager avec moi.
Yeah, they're going to travel with me. Yeah, they're going to travel with me.
Vous faites souvent de la randonnée?
Do you often go hiking? Do you often go hiking?
Oui, je fais de la randonnée 2 fois par mois.
Yes, I go hiking twice a month. Yes, I go hiking twice a month.
Voyagez-vous souvent?
Do you travel often? Do you travel often?
Combien de fois voyagez-vous?
How often do you travel? How often do you travel?
Je voyage souvent pour le travail.
I often travel for work. I often travel for work.
Vous ne voyagez pas souvent, n'est-ce pas?
You don't often travel, do you? You don't often travel, do you?
Je voyage mais pas souvent.
I travel but not often. I travel but not often.
Quelle était votre spécialité à l'université?
What was your major in college? What was your major in college?
Quand avez-vous obtenu votre diplôme?
When did you graduate? When did you graduate?
J'ai obtenu mon diplôme en 2008.
I graduated in 2008. I graduated in 2008.
Je n'ai pas eu mon diplôme.
I didn't graduate. I didn't graduate.
Quelle était votre spécialité?
What was your major? What was your major?
J'ai étudié les mathématiques.
I majored in math. I majored in math.
Moi, j'ai étudié l'histoire.
I majored in history. I majored in history.
Elle a étudié la physique.
She majored in physics. She majored in physics.
Il était spécialisé en chimie et en biologie.
He majored in chemistry and biology. He majored in chemistry and biology.
J'ai étudié l'informatique.
I majored in computer science. I majored in computer science.
Elle est spécialisée en intelligence artificielle.
She majored in artificial intelligence. She majored in artificial intelligence.
Tu es diplômé en ingénierie.
You majored in engineering. You majored in engineering.
Ils sont spécialisés en commerce.
They majored in business. They majored in business.
Moi, la comptabilité. Et toi?
I majored in accounting. How about you? I majored in accounting. How about you?
Je ne me suis pas spécialisé en comptabilité.
I didn't major in accounting. I didn't major in accounting.
Je n'ai pas fait de la finance. J'ai étudié le marketing.
I didn't major in finance. I majored in marketing. I didn't major in finance. I majored in marketing.
Je n'ai pas étudié l'anglais mais j'ai étudié le commerce.
I didn't major in English, but I majored in business. I didn't major in English, but I majored in business.
Tu n'as pas été major en finance.
You didn't major in finance. You didn't major in finance.
Il n'a pas étudié l'histoire mais l'anglais.
He didn't major in history, but majored in English. He didn't major in history, but majored in English.
Elle n'a pas étudié le commerce mais l'histoire.
She didn't major in business, but majored in history. She didn't major in business, but majored in history.
Tu as été major en histoire?
Did you major in history? Did you major in history?
Et elle, le marketing?
Did she major in marketing? Did she major in marketing?
J'ai fait une double spécialisation en finance et en commerce.
I double majored in finance and business. I double majored in finance and business.
J'ai fait l'anglais et l'histoire.
I double majored in English and history. I double majored in English and history.
Mes deux matières principales étaient la chimie et la biologie.
My double majors were chemistry and biology. My double majors were chemistry and biology.
Elle, c'était la sociologie et l'archéologie.
Her double majors were sociology and archaeology. Her double majors were sociology and archaeology.
Dans quelle université es-tu allé?
Which university did you go? Which university did you go?
Quelle université avez-vous fréquenté?
Which college did you go? Which college did you go?
Quelle école avez-vous fréquenté?
Which school did you go? Which school did you go?
Je suis allé à l'université de Cambridge.
I went to Cambridge University. I went to Cambridge University.
Je suis allé à Harvard.
I went to Harvard. I went to Harvard.
Elle est allée à Yale.
She went to Yale. She went to Yale.
Ils sont allés à Stanford.
They went to Stanford. They went to Stanford.
Il est allé à Oxford.
He went to Oxford. He went to Oxford.
Je suis allé dans un collège communautaire local.
I went to a local community college. I went to a local community college.
Je suis allé au lycée.
I went to high school. I went to high school.
Elle est allée dans un lycée local.
She went to a local high school. She went to a local high school.
Il est allé à l'université.
He went to college. He went to college.
Ils sont rentrés chez eux.
They went home. They went home.
Il est allé à l'école.
He attended school. He attended school.
Elle a fréquenté une école en Nouvelle-Zélande.
She attended a school in New Zealand. She attended a school in New Zealand.
William a fréquenté une université en Angleterre.
William attended a university in England. William attended a university in England.
Est-elle allée au lycée?
Did she go to high school? Did she go to high school?
Est-il allé à l'université d'Oxford?
Did he go to Oxford University? Did he go to Oxford University?
Êtes-vous allé à l'école?
Did you go to school? Did you go to school?
Est-ce que je suis allé à l'université?
Did I go to university? Did I go to university?
Sommes-nous allés à l'université?
Did we go to college? Did we go to college?
Non, je ne suis pas allé à Oxford.
No, I didn't go to Oxford. No, I didn't go to Oxford.
Non, elle n'est pas allée à Harvard.
No, she didn't go to Harvard. No, she didn't go to Harvard.
Non, il n'est pas allé au collège communautaire.
No, he didn't go to community college. No, he didn't go to community college.
Non, ils ne sont allés dans aucune université.
No, they didn't go to any college. No, they didn't go to any college.
Non, il n'est pas allé dans une université.
No, he didn't go to any university. No, he didn't go to any university.
Non, elle n'est pas allée au lycée.
No, she didn't go to high school. No, she didn't go to high school.
Kelly est allée dans une université d'arts libéraux.
Kelly attended a liberal arts college. Kelly attended a liberal arts college.
Il est allé dans une université technique.
He attended a technical college. He attended a technical college.
Sarah est allée dans une école d'infirmière.
Sarah attended a nursing school. Sarah attended a nursing school.
Êtes-vous allé à l'université?
Did you attend university? Did you attend university?
Est-elle allée à l'université?
Did she attend college? Did she attend college?
Sont-ils allés à l'école?
Did they attend school? Did they attend school?
Est-ce que je suis allé à l'université?
Did I attend community college? Did I attend community college?
Non, je ne suis pas allé à l'université.
No, I didn't attend university. No, I didn't attend university.
Non, elle n'est pas allée au travail.
No, she didn't attend work. No, she didn't attend work.
Non, il n'est pas allé dans un collège technique.
No, he didn't attend a technical college. No, he didn't attend a technical college.
Non, ils n'ont pas fréquenté l'école secondaire.
No, they didn't attend high school. No, they didn't attend high school.
Je suis diplômée de l'université.
I graduated from university. I graduated from university.
Ils ont été diplômés de l'université.
They graduated from college. They graduated from college.
Il a obtenu son diplôme d'études secondaires l'année dernière.
He graduated from high school last year. He graduated from high school last year.
Elle a été diplômée de l'université en 2016.
She graduated from college in 2016. She graduated from college in 2016.
Ils ont été diplômés de l'université en 2018.
They graduated from university in 2018. They graduated from university in 2018.
Je serai diplômée l'année prochaine.
I will graduate next year. I will graduate next year.
Elle sera diplômée en 2021.
She will be graduating in 2021. She will be graduating in 2021.
Sam a été diplômé d'une école militaire il y a quelques années.
Sam graduated from a military school a few years ago. Sam graduated from a military school a few years ago.
Sarah a obtenu son diplôme avec mention.
Sarah graduated with honors. Sarah graduated with honors.
J'ai obtenu un diplôme en marketing.
I graduated with a degree in marketing. I graduated with a degree in marketing.
Elle a obtenu un diplôme en finance.
She graduated with a finance degree. She graduated with a finance degree.
Ils ont eu un double diplôme.
They graduated with a double degree. They graduated with a double degree.
Je suis diplômée d'un MBA.
I graduated with an MBA. I graduated with an MBA.
Il a obtenu un diplôme d'études secondaires.
He graduated with a high school diploma. He graduated with a high school diploma.
Je suis diplômé d'une licence en commerce.
I graduated with a bachelor's degree in business. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in business.
Elle est diplômée d'une maîtrise en ingénierie.
She has a master's degree in engineering. She has a master's degree in engineering.